Hello beauty queens, AyuQuinn here. Today I will show you how to make a coffee scrub. Subscribe me for 100% natural beauty videos. The fine blend of lemon which contains vitamin C and the coffee which is very famous for lightening the skin tone will deeply removes the dead skin cells and nourishes your skin. For this you need 1 tablespoon of coffee, sugar and a lime slice. This amount will be enough only for the face, but you can apply the scrub all over your body. You can increase the amount you take as needed. Let's start. Put the coffee into a small dish and add sugar. Then mix it well. And then squeeze the lime into it for a thick consistency. Don't throw away this lime rind, we use it for scrubbing. Mix both of the ingredients and make a good batter. Then spread it on cleansed face and neck as well. I'm going to show you a demo by applying it in my hand. Spread the scrub on the hand and leave it to dry up to 5 minutes. It removes the dead skin cells and gives a smooth and radiant skin. You can use this body scrub twice a week. And then take the lime rind and massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. This scrub makes your skin dirt free and also very helpful to clear all the impurities from your skin. It always makes you feel fresh and glowing. Then rinse it with normal water and then you can see an instant smooth and glowing skin in the first apply. See you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.